We're gonna unpack the Elgato Key Light right now. Okay. This is how it comes out. There is some paper on top of it. We've got the manual, how you need to set it up. Here's a little box. These are things that help you attach your wires to the actual stand. We have some adapters. 4 different adapters in here. The adapter piece where you can attach the adapter for power supply, and this is the power supply for the actual light. This is a little bit of rubber you can put on your stand. We can do that in a bit. And there's a warranty guide here. This should be the light. If you're wondering why everything is wrapped in paper, it's because Elgato tries to reduce plastic, so that's why they use paper. For environmental reasons. And this is the actual light. It's pretty big. This is my hand. In comparison, it's like a couple times my hand. My head's kind of small, but yeah, it's kind of big, right? Normally you use soft boxes or round lights, but you don't need that with this one because this already has built-in diffusion. Another piece of paper. And this is the mount. And this is here at the end. This is where we put the plastic thing. This is just so the light doesn't move too much on the tripod. And the tripod we can just attach to a table, if you open it up at least. So, and then we can actually make this pole higher, way higher than this actually, because we can higher it twice. I think about 1 meter long, and this is the part where you can attach the light on. You can basically change it around in directions. You can attach the key light either at the bottom or on the side. There we go. And the power supply goes in the back. Now you just put it in the power.